There's something big over there. Over fucking there, I just had to jump up. We're gonna keep making our way through this swamp. And, more bear activity. Oh, that's a big bear track right there. We're gonna continue making our way through the swamp, though. And, I'm gonna find a way out that looks cool. And then I'm not going through this shit for half an hour. I really have no idea where I'm at. More coyote poop. Oh, there's in a fucking swamp right now, man. Fuck. Okay, I found an opening. See, even if you find an opening in a swamp like this, though, ain't an opening for very long. So now we're here. There were some coyotes scat over there. Oh, this is cool back in here. This is weird. We're gonna tread carefully through here, since this is all a swamp. And I'm about a mile from my house, and I'm not trying to get wet, it's cold. I really just had the urge today to walk out in the woods. I don't know why. Oh shit, we're sinking. But yeah, I had the urge just to walk out in the woods today and go explore this area where I figured there'd be a lot of coyote activity. And there definitely is. Earlier today, I seen like a 400-pound black bear out back of my house. And, now we're kind of in where its fucking home is. This country is very, very, very easy to get lost back in here. Especially where I'm at, because there's no houses, no roads, pretty much nothing around. I'm gonna just make my way through this though part. There's a lot of bear activity, a lot of stumps ripped apart. I haven't seen too many tracks yet though, so I've just seen a couple deer tracks. I kind of want to explore this marsh area right next to my house because never been back here. And it's really thick and really rugged country back here as well. So that's another reason why I really want to come back here. But I have time and nothing but time at the moment, so pick through here and see if I can find that fox as well. Last season, I know a fox died back in here somewhere. Oh shit, almost just fell. But yeah, there's actually a little spring that goes right under all this ground back in the swamp. And I believe it feeds into the sister stream that feeds into the stream that's right over there. I'm not sure though. Man, it's just swampy back here. I can hear, I think, 903. That's the highway behind me, but I don't even know if I can. It's just thick back in here. Probably to put this on YouTube just because some of y'all might like to see some of the places that not many people go and document. Who knows, maybe I'll find a shed antler or two if I just keep walking these little stream beds. You gotta be careful with these swamps because any wrong step and you're either gonna fall and hit your head or get wet. And either situation is not good. Especially when you have real no idea where you're really at. You're gonna just backtrack your steps to get back. I do not recommend doing that whatsoever. Especially not having anything on you that you can use to get help other than a phone. But I got 0 bars back here. So that was a big pile of bear scat. Yeah, that bear lives back in here. Something does. What I would like to do is find a coyote path. Because you can hunt back here, I'm pretty sure. because you're far enough in between houses, and it's private property, but it's permission to be in this property, kind of deal. Oh my God, this is a stick back in here, man. I'm able to reckon that you could take a drink from the stream if you find where it comes out of the ground, which I do not know where that would be. But I can see little trout darting around in these pools, which is cool. Oh. I'm kind of just following these game trails right now to get me. Oh, that's nothing to be careful for. When you step, you can go through a lot of this stuff. This is physically demanding, though, going through this country. Let me tell you that. If you've never walked through miles of rhododendron and you try to do it, you're going to be out of breath. You have to literally fight your way through this country. I'm not going this way. I'm going to go back and around. I'm not digging that. I'm not digging that whatsoever. We're just going to go up and around that rhododendron patch. But yeah, today is January 10th, 2023. And just gonna go give it a shot, walking around in here, see what I can find, see what there is to see. If the quality on this video is bad, I will not upload it. But if quality is half decent, I will. I looked at this on Google Maps and it did not look like a whole swamp. That's why you never listen to Google Maps when you're going somewhere. Because these photos are probably from 5-6 years ago. And this whole swamp is completely different now. More trees blown over, more roots pulled up. I have a good idea where I'm at. I'm not really sure though. Just because I've never been back in here. I can hear Yellow Run Creek over in that direction. So that's definitely a good sign. That means I'm on the creek that's by my house, which means I'm not going to get lost. If I can keep tabs in that creek. Also, the other reason why I'm recording a video now is because I'm in major bear country. And I just want to be making sound that I'm human while going through this thick brush. So if I would jump anything, such as a bear, theory is it won't eat me. That's the theory. Oh, there's some big glacier rocks right here. Look at the size of this rock. There's no real trail to follow either back here at all. It's just these little game trails. And I'm sinking again. Whew. My whole goal for coming out here was to maybe find a shed antler or a skull or something, just, you know, something back here, but doesn't really seem to be a whole lot of anything back here. Just swamp. Which is cool and all. But I would have loved to find a skull or some bones or something back here. Something. Ooh. I'm going a little bit fast through this country, and that's simply because I want to kind of just do like a grid search of this whole area just to get it covered. Say I've searched it already for anything cool. Even though it's not really a season when you will find shed antlers super easily, I'm still doing it just because there's all these big game trails and deer, bear, coyote, fox, everything uses game trails to get around this thick swamp. And high traveled areas tend to have stuff on them usually, from my experience. Okay, where am I at now? Okay, we're back in the swamp, the big rocks back there. Gotta cut across this way. Oh, Oh, there's some coon tracks. Yeah, I'm probably gonna upload this and just have it as like a hiking, exploring video instead of fishing. Because I wanted to bring my fishing rod down here, but it's not really anything that's even worth fishing. There's a big coyote track. Where am I at even? Gives you guys an idea of what I'm seeing here. A whole lot of this, the same thing. Trees and swamp. Ugh. If you're wondering where I'm at, I am in Unionville, Pennsylvania. I'm not gonna give exact locations, just so people aren't coming back in here, living a mess, finding good stuff. I'm not the property owner, so I can't give other people permission to come back in here, or I would. Here's another nice pile of bear shit. Bear scat, sorry. There's just so much of it in the back of this swamp here. There's a lot of bear back in here. A lot of big bear back in here. I've seen probably a dozen bears while just being in this area over the last couple months. It's a big swamp. There's coyotes, bears, deer. All the normal stuff you'll find in the woods back in here. In Pennsylvania, at least. Oh, this is cool. There's a buck rub up here. No, it's not a buck rub. I'm just looking at it. Just seeing. Oh, yeah, no, it is. Huh. Oh, I'm back to where I was before. Good. Good, good. I'm on the beaten trail now. Oh, it's a bone. But where is the thing that made that bone? I'm not going in there looking for it. Crazy. More bear cry, scat. Deer prints. Figured the deer would be back down here. Kind of figured that. I don't know how long this video is going to be. Maybe it's 15 minutes. Hey, I found a rib cage. That looks like a deer rib cage. I must have found a rib bone over there. So that's a deer rib cage, yeah. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Not touching it. I don't need it. Nor do I want to touch it. Oh, there's an old gas can back here. Cool. Garbage. Oh, there's a creek. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to go to the creek 'cause I know what creek it is, but I didn't know it ran in over here. Yeah, there's just nothing back in here for me to find or anything. Oh, this brush sucks, man. Constantly getting hit in the face. Constantly. Ow. Off a sharp stick. Yes, that was. You guys, I just hope you get the whole view of how thick it is back in here. Because, it is a scary, scary country back in there, man. You can get lost so quickly. Just by walking 10 feet off the whatever path you're following. I'm gonna cut up this way, this deer path. There's a coyote print. And a couple deer prints, bear poop. And once again, I'm going to say sorry for the camera shakiness. It is very hard to stand and hold still while backing this stuff. I'm going to go cut out east a little bit. We'll go east for a little ways just to see what there is. Now this isn't really country I could get lost in because I'm so close to roads and houses. But it's about a mile wide, this particular swamp. And probably 3 miles long. So it's still a sketchy area to get lost in. If it were to ever happen. But I doubt it. Oh, this is thick. See, a bear's been obliterating this tree. All the little chunks at the bottom of it. Another little creek. Or like, I don't know what this is. But we'll take a look in it. See if you see any artifacts or anything of that sort. Let's put a little bit of time on this video. In case anybody just wants to go see some random dude walk around the woods. This is cool actually, hold on. Is there fish in this? Well, I would totally fish this. Is there fish in this? Oh yeah, there is. There's a little trout in this. But we're just gonna walk the stream bed here. See if there is anything to see. I don't know if this is anything or not, but I'm gonna toss it so it doesn't look that good. It's a rock. Yeah, there's another game trail that goes through here. It's a little bit thicker. We're gonna pop out on the other side of this clearing just to see what there is to see. Looks like there's like something up here. Oh yeah, a bear for sure. So much bear activity back in here, man. It's mind-boggling. I haven't ran into one yet. Walking these hillsides. I'm not really worried about the bears around here per se. That is black bears. They generally won't hurt you or attack you. That's just the theory once again. Oh, I want to put in perspective how steep this hill is here. It's steep, but all kinds of junk on this hill. All kinds of stuff to see. This is interesting. All these rocks here. This is man-made, I'm pretty sure, but still take a look at it. You really don't know unless you look. Actually was something kind of cool over on this side somewhere that I saw but I didn't grab. Whatever. That was a big boulder. Cool. That's a wire. Weird. I'm gonna end the video off here. I will post if I find anything.